Welcome to another video brought to you by Appliance Reliance. Today we'll be working on a Whirlpool side-by-side refrigerator that has an issue with the ice maker. The ice maker is not making any ice, although it does have ice cubes inside the ice tray. The first and the easiest thing to check for would be the ice bucket full infrared sensors. These infrared sensors monitor the ice bucket. When the ice bucket gets full, they stop the operation of the ice maker until that ice bucket level is dropped lower than the infrared sensor beam, and then the ice maker operation resumes. Turn on your phone camera to video, close the flapper, and hold your phone in front of the infrared sensor. If the infrared sensor is working properly, you will see a red dot blinking on and off as you monitor it through the video mode. If you do not see a flashing red dot, then you have to replace your infrared sensor. These infrared sensors come in pairs most of the time, so you will receive both the sending side and the receiving side. I will provide the part number for these infrared sensors later on in the video. However, keep in mind, this is not one size fits all type of situation. Every model number will have its own type of infrared sensors. Okay, so after removing these 3 screws, this plastic cover will just pop out and you can pull away from the connector fairly easy. So since these infrared sensors come in pairs, one, they are cheaper to buy this way than compared to buying them separately, and two, you don't have to sit there and try to guess which side has failed. So because they come in pairs, just go ahead and replace them both. This side has 2 Phillips head screws on the bottom. Unscrew the screws, pull the bracket away from the fridge, and separate the sensor from the connector. Here is the part number of these infrared sensors to this refrigerator. Now that that's all said and done, let's see what's going on. And there we have it. There is the flashing light. But we're not going to stop there. Let's take it a step further and confirm that the ice maker is actually cycling and dispensing that ice that's been sitting there waiting to be dispensed. So close the door flap to activate the infrared sensors, and also do not forget to close the door switch. This is important because that will tell the control board that the fridge door is closed, and this will allow the ice maker to activate. And there we have it. The ice maker is cycling. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos to follow.